Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about action verbs run, run, jump, jump, walk, walk, eat, eat, sleep, sleep, talk, talk, listen, listen, sing, sing, dance, dance, read, read, write, write, color, color, sip, sip, whistle, whistle, kiss, kiss, draw, draw, play, play, open, open, close, close, cut, cut, build, build, climb, climb, slide, slide, swing, swing, throw, throw, catch, catch, swim, swim, skate, skate, laugh, laugh, cry, cry, smile, smile, look, look, hear, hear, smell, smell, taste, taste, touch, touch, feel, feel, learn, learn, help, help, share, share, see, see, find, find, hide, hide, count, count, skip, skip, jog, jog, clap, clap, wash, wash, brush, brush, hug, hug, sprint, sprint, awake, awake, hop, hop, rest, rest, sit, sit, stand, stand, stretch, stretch, push, push, pull, pull, carry, carry, toss, toss, snatch, snatch, observe, observe, chat, chat, paint, paint, care, care, imagine, imagine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.